When you've been safely delivering the same thing the same way for nearly 140 years, it's all too easy to think there's only one way to do it. But as the world around us transforms the way we do things, we need to think again. This is why we're embarking on a journey to reimagine the industrial gases industry. It's a journey to transform the way we do business, making it even easier to be our customer. It's embracing cutting-edge digital technologies that monitor, analyze, and drive innovation. And it's redefining what it means to deliver great service every time. We know we can't do it by ourselves. So, together with our people, our customers, and our partners, we're already changing our world. Our journey's just beginning. It's time to reimagine.